I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica, and I'm here to take you on a tour of this amazing beach club in Lagos, Portugal. If you haven't already, please hit the like button to support the video and don't forget to leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts. Lagos has some of the most beautiful beaches in the country, and I can tell you, the beach club here is no exception. From the stunning views to the range of activities they offer, there is something for everyone here. You can expect to find relaxing beach vibes, pool parties, water sports, and boat tours at this beach club. The pool area is lined with palm trees, comfy seating, and a bar that serves up a variety of drinks. There's also a pool party every Monday and Thursday that is typically well attended. If pool parties aren't your thing, you'll also find relaxing vibes by the beach. The ocean views are breathtaking and peaceful. As for the activities available, you won't be short on choices. From jet skiing to windsurfing, you'll find plenty of outdoor activities to keep you busy. If you prefer something a little more laid back, there are boat tours available which will take you on a peaceful journey around the coast. The best part of this beach club is the food. They offer a wide selection of Mediterranean dishes, perfect for lunch and dinner. And if you're here for drinks, you're in for a treat. It's no surprise that this place is also a popular spot for sunset cocktails. Whether you're coming here for a beach day or to enjoy some of the activities available, this beach club has everything you need. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you don't miss out on the next beach club tour I'm filming. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.